Alright, so this is vinyl plank I've got right here. And as you can see, I've got some permanent marker that I've used. Well, I've marked some of it permanent marker, and my stepson also used it because it was easier to see, and we figured it would just come off with alcohol, and it doesn't really come off that well with alcohol. As you can see, it's really hard to get off. So just to make this very quick, because I looked at different things like using WD-40, using mineral spirits or whatever. Okay, but I just decided to try something. It's Repel Sportsman Max formula with 40% DEET. And I mean, I've been scrubbing. I've tried hydrogen peroxide. Oh my gosh, hydrogen peroxide. I've tried everything. Watch this. Just leave it sitting for a little bit. Get a little better there. I brought out some awesome to try on it too, but I don't need to use the awesome. Grab my I know it's still a little visible, but a little bit of rubbing right there. And pretty much comes out. Like I had a line going all the way down. I don't know what it is in this stuff that does it, but you spray the crap out of it. And also, your floors will repel mosquitoes. Whatever. Yeah. So, you want to get rid of permanent marker on vinyl. Try that. Worked for me. Pretty excited.